Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu Jain and you are watching Encyclohub. We provide all type of assignments in PDF and handwritten form. And if you need answer of these questions, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number which is 900-936-8238, which is showing on your screen. Kindly DM on us. Thank you. And now the question number third is saying that suppose you are a seller of apples and you have 100 kg of apples for sale. The market price is rupees 20 per kg and this price demand for apple is only 60 kg. How will it affect the price of apple fixed by you? As in question number 1, it for rupees 20 per kg, the demand for apple is 150 kg. How will this affect the price of apples fixed with you? Distinguish between a monopoly market and a perfectly competitive market based on the following features. First is number of buyers and sellers, substitute goods, free entry and exit and determination of price. These are the questions which you can see on the screen. Now you have, if you need answer of this question, so you can contact us and DM us on our WhatsApp number. So we will provide all type of answers in your WhatsApp in just a second. And thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon in the next video.